But if they pick up a victory in the next war, that would square off for a fearsome fight tomorrow. Nonetheless, let's give Wado all due credit. A competitor in Worlds qualifiers, having picked up second place finishes before. He's an extremely experienced player with lots of showings against his fellow Japanese players, the Queen Walkers and Aphelion Esports. It's the upset of the month to see the two Japanese teams knocked out from the top and forced down into the lower bracket. But let's see what Wado's got for us today. Moving in hard and fast on the bottom side of this level with a big old wall of wrecker, Yetis, and ice golems. We're not doing the standard P.E.K.K.A snatch strat. We're opening up a big compartment on top before the Dragon Riders sort in.
This is beautiful, Woody. He's already taken out the middle with the lightning spells. The Royal Champion perfectly planned to that left-hand side in order to take down that compartment. Unfortunate not to get the expo there as well. But the Ice Golem and the Log Launcher have protected the Queen right of the way through. She just needs to get across there to help take down the Town Hall. Come on, Queen! She finally gets into that area. Ice Golems keep it frozen. With the ability, she will get the Town Hall, and that is a super impressive hero push. Now he can start with the main phase of his attack, and he's already ripped apart the core of the base.
Cracking through with the whole kitchen sink dumped on that top section. He's knocked down the Town Hall and is awfully close to the second star. I'm surprised that it's only in the 40s of percentage so far, but I guess the cleanup along the outer edges on the top and right side is just going to get him way even further up. There's very little defensive firepower left in his base, and so many Dragon Riders soaring in up top. Incredible defensive targeting damage. Going to finish off that last and final compartment to give the Unicorns of Love a dignified walk away down to the bottom bracket. A virtually guaranteed 3-star to finish things off. A clever invisibility spell here too, and he's still holding on to some freeze. Really impressive, overwhelming finish from Wado.
Beautiful job. Did you see that one Dragon Rider that pulled about 5 air bombs to the top of the base? Just took solo and left the pack, went and took them all out. Like you said, Unicorns of Love finishing strong here, and that means they will be attacking later on today. At least they know they've put up an incredible performance. I mean, 14 stars, just that one little error, but GH Rest got the higher percentage, kept the momentum going, and they are showing they're a force to be reckoned with. But this is not the last we've seen of Unicorns of Love. What a brilliant attack here. It is getting close.
Could this be a 99?
It
No
is a 99.
way.